Good morning, students. Okay. Did you complete yesterday's worksheets, which was posted in our WhatsApp channel? Yesterday's worksheets. So, if you have doubts, ask me, or else we can continue this concept. Base method multiplication. Different bases. So, till now learned, we have discussed about base method multiplication concept with same basis, right? Above base, same basis in same basis, above base, below base, mix. Above and mixed means one one number is above and one number is below. Either it is multiplicand or multiplier. Mixed, above base, below base, and mixed. And second, different bases. We have to learn this. Is it clear? We are here. We have learned, we have discussed about same basis concept, above base, below base, and mixed. And now different bases. Clear? like this. Base must have same first digit means here we have first digit 1, here we have, or else like this. First digit of bases means 1 minute. See, if you have to take basis here, you have to take basis for this number. Base for this number is 1000. Base for this number is 100. See, check. Basis first digit must be same. First digit. Here 300 has to be base. Here 30 has to be base. Now basis first digit must be same. This is the only one condition here. That's it. You know how to take base for a number. So in this case, if you have different digits in base, this method is will not applicable. Okay, is that clear, everyone? So for example, do one problem, you will understand. So in this also, above bases, below bases and mixed, we have same like base method multiplication with same basis. See, I have explained just now, same basis. When we are having same basis for both multiplicand and multiplier, we have three kinds: above base, below base, mixed. In different bases also, we will have three cases: above base, below base and mixed. Okay. So multiplication with different bases must have same first digit. Okay. Here is the same process with very little changes. See, multiplicand into smaller base, for example, 1009 into 107. Okay. See, both are above bases. See, if you want to take base for these numbers, you have to take 1000 here and you have to take 100 here. Okay, both have same, both bases have, according to this rule, both must have same first digits. So both here 1000 and 100 has one as it is as its first digit. Okay, clear? This is the single rule or condition for this. Okay, now follow this answer method or its answer format. Multiplicand plus base, smaller base difference. See, what is the difference here? Here 9, here 7. Clear? So 1009 is 9 more than base. Base is here. 107 is 7 more than 100, which is base. So now multiplicand, generally we called is above number as multiplicand. This is multiplier. So multiplicand plus smaller base difference. What is the smaller base? 100 here. Difference is 7. So multiplicand here 1009 plus smaller base difference. Smaller base is 100 and difference is 7. Plus with extra zeros. Here one different concept is there. You have to add smaller base with extra zeros means what is the difference between zeros of bases here? Here smaller base has two zeros, here bigger base has three zeros. What is the difference? One zero is the difference. One two zeros, one two zeros, one zero is the difference. That zero has to be added to the difference. That is the thing. Multiplicand first smaller base difference with extra zeros, okay, into first number of base. That is the main reason. First number of bases means bases must have same first digits. That is the main reason to give this condition. Bases must have same first digit, that is into 1. We have bases 1000 and 100 here, so that is the reason we don't have any other problems. If you multiply by 1, any number becomes same number. Okay, this is first part. Second part, as usually, product of differences according to zeros of smaller base, same as the case with base method multiplication with same bases. Okay, what is the product of differences? Product of differences, 9 sevens are 63 according to zeros of smaller base. We have two zeros here, so we have to write in two digit format. So 9 sevens are 63, we got 63 directly. So we don't have any other problem. If it is three zeros, if it has smaller base has three zeros, we have to add 0 in front of 63, not after 63. If you put 0 here, it becomes 630. That is the reason you have to keep 0 here, 063. So we have two zeros, excuse me, we have two zeros, so we have to write two digit format here. 9 sevens are 63, we got already two digit format. We need not add any zeros here. So what is the answer? 1009 plus 70 into 1 means it will come same answer. 1009 plus 70, 1079, and this 63. This is the answer. You can check your answer using digital root. We are here when both are above bases. One minute. Mm. Did you understand, everyone? This method 107963, or else you can do another example to get more clarity. We are here, both are above bases. For example, 2007 into 205. So here bases are, we are both bases are above bases. We are at both bases are above bases. So that is the reason I am giving you this kind of basis, this kind of multiplicand and multiplier. Base is here 2000. We have to take 2000 here. We have to take 200 here. Okay. What is the difference? 7 is the base here. Difference from base. 5 is the difference from base. So follow this format. Okay. Multiplicand plus smaller base difference. What is the smaller base? 200. So multiplicand, this is multiplicand, this is multiplier. Remember, in multiplication, this one is multiplicand, this is multiplier. So multiplicand plus smaller base difference. Smaller base difference means smaller base 200, difference is 5. So 2007 plus 5 with different zeros. See, smaller base difference with extra zeros. What is extra? Here bigger base has 3 zeros, smaller base has 2 zeros. So difference is 1 0. You have to add 1 0 here. That's it. Did you understand? And as usually, first digit of base. What is the first digit of base? 2. So that is the reason bases must have same first digit. If you find two different first digits, that is confusion thing, or else this method will not applicable. So product of differences, according to product of differences, 7 5 is 35. Here what are the zeros? The smaller base has 2 zeros, so 7 5 is 35 is the two digit number. It has 2 zeros, that is fine. We need not add zeros here. So 2007 plus 50, 2057 into 2. Remember, you should not forget this first digit of base into first digit of base. Remember this. So 2 7s are 14, 4 here, 1 carry over, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 11, 2 0 0 fine, 2 2s are 4. So 4 1 1 4 3 5 is the answer. Four double 1 4 3 5. You can check your answer. Okay. 107 actually 963. Okay. Fine. Gokada 411435. Yes, correct answer. Yes, Rohit. Yes, Reddy Lakshmi. Yes, Nisant. You're right. Okay. Kullu Vasavi, right answer. Okay, fine. If you understood, just do this. Do this. Do this multiplication. Everyone must get same answer. 41135. Yes, Nishant. Do this. 40,007 into 403. Do this multiplication. Okay, Nishant. Go to next problem. Don't stuck there. చూద్దాం ఎవరు ఫస్ట్ ఇస్తారో ఆన్సర్. 40,007 into 403. నోట్ డౌన్, ఈ ఫార్మాట్ ఆన్సర్ ఫార్మాట్ నోట్ చేసుకోండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఆన్సర్ ఫార్మాట్. నేను రౌండ్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్ చేస్తున్నాను. సర్కిల్ కాదు. దిస్ వన్ ఆన్సర్ ఫార్మాట్. Reddy Lakshmi got 16014821. So base is, what are the bases there? Here 40,000. This is 400 base. Okay, 40,400. What is the difference is 7 from 40,000, 3 from 4,000. Now 40,007 plus smaller, see smaller base difference with extra zeros. How many zeros are vary here? 40,000 has 4 zeros, 400 has only 2 zeros. So you must add these 3 with 2 zeros into first digit of base. What is the first digit of base? 4. This is one part. Another part, 7 3s are 21. It has 2 zeros. Smaller base has 2 zeros. Answer is 21 is fine. Now add this 40,007. That means 40,300 and 40,007. You have to add 40,307 into 4. 4 7s are 28. 8 here, 2 here, because 4 zeros are 0. 4 3s are 12. You can write 12 because we have 0 here. 4 4 is 16. So 161228 and 21. Answer is 16122821 is the answer. Yes, 16. Nishant got correct answer. And 16014821. So 160, where did you get that 0? Check your answer. 16122821 is the answer. Only one student got correct answer. Yes, Rohit, you got correct answer. This is the correct answer for this problem. Okay. So we have completed both our above bases. Remaining cases you can do as we did yesterday. If you practice more, you will get more clarity and you can do within no time. Yes, Jammana, Jammana Satyam, right? Red Lakshmi now corrected it. Very good. Yes, Vasavi, very good. 16122 I think typing mistake. Okay. Now both are below bases. Now both are below bases. That means mm, like this. So bases are, you can take basis as here 3000 because 2998 is nearest to 3000. Difference from base is 2. Here 300. Difference from base is 3. Okay. Remember, you have to check the multiplicand and multiplier first to take the base. You have to take exact base or nearest base to get your answer correctly. So these are the differences. But here negative. See, this multiplicand has 2 less than base, its base. This multiplier has 3 less than its base. Okay. Now as usual, multiplicand plus smaller base difference with extra zeros. What is multiplicand here? 2998. 2998 plus this negative number, but with extra zeros. How many extra zeros is this bigger base has? 1 0 extra. So you have to add this 1 0. You have to add here. That is the reason multiplicand plus smaller base differences with extra zeros. Smaller base differences with extra zeros. See, the smaller base has one less zero than bigger base. That is the reason we have to add 1 0 here. Into first digit of base, you should not forget. Into first digit of base, both base has 3 as it is first digit. This is one part of the answer. Remaining part. Product of differences. What is the product of differences? -2 and -3. So 2 3 is a 6. Negative number into negative number gives you positive number. But product of difference according to zeros of the smaller base. See, we have smaller base 300. 300 has 2 zeros. So you have to write 2-digit format here. You have to write 06. Not 6, not just 6. You have to write in 2-digit format because the smaller base has 2 zeros. Okay. So what is the answer? 2998 minus 30. So when you are adding one positive number, one negative number, that becomes subtraction. 29998 minus 30. What is the answer? 8. 9 minus 3, 6. 9, 2. Simple subtraction. Into 3. This first digit of bases into first digit of base. 3 is a 24. 4 here, 2 carry over. 3 6 are 18. Plus 2, 20. 0. Again 2. 3 9s are 27 plus 2 29 9 again 2 3 2s are 6 plus 2 7 8 here 8904 is the answer in first part. Second part is 06. So complete answer is 890406. 890406 is the answer. See, this is 4 digit and this is 3 digit. So answer will be in either 6 digit or 7 digit. We got 6 digit answer. You can check using digital route also. Did you understand, students? Yes, Gopada, Pedreditina, and Rohit. Great. Good, Darshit. Great. Great. Fine. Do one more problem. Do this problem. Do this problem. 4627281. What is 4627281? What happened? Rohak Sai. Which answer is it? It is which answer it is, Rohak Sai? Through 3627281. I think you X890406. Okay. Move to next problem, Nishant. Don't be smart. Move to next problem. 890406. Okay, Vasavi. Complete this problem. Do this problem, everyone. 4995 into 497. Okay, Pedredal Trinath. I don't know who is it. Who is it? Okay, complete that answer. Excuse me. So both are below bases. So base is here 5000. Here 500. Both are below bases. Difference is it has 5 less than its base. It has 3 less than its base. Okay. Okay. Now follow this format. Answer will be in two parts. First part is multiplicand plus smaller base difference. What is the multiplicand? 4995 plus smaller base is negative number. Okay. With difference with extra zeros. What is the difference here? Difference in zeros. It has 3 zeros, it has 2 zeros. So you have to add this one into multiplication of first digit. First digit of bases. What is the first digit of base? Is 5. This is first part. Second part is multiplication of differences. Minus 5 into minus 3. And answer has to be according to smaller base zeros. So it has 2 zeros. 5 3 is a 15. Negative number into negative number gives you positive number. 5 3 is a 15 is the answer. So 2 digit format. It is okay. It has 2 zeros. We wrote here as 2 digit. We got 2 digit answer. That is clear. Fine. Now complete this. 4995 plus 30 means this 30 is negative 30 bar 30. So subtract 30 from that. So 5 minus 0 5, 9 minus 3 again 6, 9 4. So 4965 into 5 multiplication. You should not forget this first digit of base. You have to multiply by first digit of base. 5 5 is 25, 5 here, 2 carry over, 5 6 is 30 plus 2, 32, 2 here, 3 carry over, 5 9s are 45 plus 3, 48, 8, 4 carry over, 5 4s are 20 plus 4, 24. This is the answer. So total answer is 24825 and this is 15. This answer is 24825. This is 15. If you combined both, answer is 2482515 is the answer. Yes, Vasavi, right? Rohit and Darshit. Good. You can check using digital root also. 2482515. You can anyone check answer using digital root? Good, Darshit. 2482518. Question digital root 0, answer digital root is 0. Okay, good. That's good. So now we can move to this mixed. We have completed both cases. Both are above basis, both are below basis. Now mix it. Mixed means so check, concentrate here. Basis. What is the base here? 6000 base here. Here 600. Remember, both bases must have same first digit. Okay. What is the difference? This is bar 3. So 5997 is 5997 is having 3 less than its base, and 603 is having 3 greater than its base. Remaining things are same. So answer will be in two parts. So follow this: multiplicand plus 5997 plus smaller base difference. What is the smaller base? 600. That difference is plus 3. We got 3 here, positive number. According to difference with extra zeros, how many extra zeros it has? Bigger base has 1 0. 1 0. That's it. Next, into first digit of base. What is the first digit of base? 6 is the first digit of base. And second part, product of differences according to 0 the smaller number. What is the product of differences? 3 3s are 9. Remember, minus 3 into 3. That means minus number into plus number gives you negative answer. That is minus 9. We call it as bar 9 in our Vedic maths. So you have to write this in 2-digit format because smaller base has 2 zeros. Is it clear, everyone? So 0 9 in 2-digit format, but both are negative numbers. Okay. So I told you in devinculation process, if you find 0, you can write as, you can put vinculation bar on 0 also. Okay, remember that. Now complete, you try to complete remaining process and tell me the answer. Complete this here. 5997 plus 30. 7, 9 plus 3, 12. 602, 6027. Multiply by 6. You should not forget that. 42, 6 ones are 42, 2 here, 4 carry over, 6 2s are 12 plus 4, 16, 6 here, 1 here, 6 0 0, 1, 6 6 0, 30. So first part answer is 36162. Clear? But we got here viniculated format. This answer is 36162. Did anyone complete this answer? Let me check. Okay. Darshit, did you check your answer? Darshit got correct answer. 3616191 is the correct answer. Yes. So we get 3616209, but this is bar 9. Did you understand? Yes, 3616191 is the correct answer. Answer is 3616191 is the answer. Remember, we have only one digit, or you can take bar on 2 digit, whatever you feel you can take. ఇక్కడ జీరో మీద బార్ పెట్టి డివినిక్లేషన్ ఈ 2 డిజిట్స్కి చేసిన ఒకటే, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ ఓన్లీ 1 డిజిట్కి చేసిన ఒకటే ఆన్సర్ వస్తుంది. లాస్ట్ ఫ్రమ్ 10, 10 minus 9 is 1. సో దీని ప్రీడిసెసర్ ఎంత? 361,619. ఇదే దీని ప్రీడిసెసర్, అదే వస్తుంది. ఎలా తీసుకున్నా కరెక్ట్. లేదు ఈ 2 జీరో మీద కూడా బార్ పెట్టవచ్చు అన్నారంటే బార్ పెట్టవచ్చు. 10 minus 9 1, 9 minus 0 9. Predecessor of 36162 is 36161 is the predecessor. Whatever you feel easy, you can do that. Did everyone understand this? 3616191. Yes, Jay Bharati, Nishant, Rohit, Gukada, Trinath, good. Anyway, Darshit did it first and checked it also. Okay, this is the method of multiplication base method. I did multiplication with different bases. Okay, base method, base method multiplication with different bases. This is the method. Okay, fine. This is the base method. సో మనకి ఈ బేస్కి దగ్గరగా ఏమైనా మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అండ్ మల్టిప్లయర్ both numbers are nearest to any base, you can do this method, or else if you cannot find bases, use general method. Okay, so this is the multiplication concepts in these are the multiplication concepts in Vedic maths. We have other concepts we can discuss tomorrow. Till then, that's it for today. Bye bye, have a great day, and don't forget to practice worksheets which are posting in our WhatsApp ఛానల్. ఓకే, మీకు నెక్స్ట్ ఈ క్లాసెస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కూడా మీకు డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ కావాలంటే ఈ ఛానల్ని మన ఎయిమ్స్ హ్యాపీ లెర్నింగ్ ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీకు డిఫరెంట్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్నీ మీకు తర్వాత వేదిక్ మ్యాథ్స్ ఏమైనా టిప్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నా అవన్నీ కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అండ్ మ్యాథ్స్ బేసిక్స్ రిమైనింగ్ క్లాసెస్ మీకు ఫ్యూచర్లో చెక్ చేయాలనుకుంటే మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ వస్తుంది. అండ్ మన వాట్సాప్ ఛానల్ని ఫాలో అవ్వండి. మీకు డిఫరెంట్ కైండ్స్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్షీట్స్ అన్నీ పంపిస్తాను. ఇప్పుడే కాదు, సమ్మర్ క్లాస్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కూడా, సమ్మర్ క్యాంప్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత కూడా కొన్ని కాన్సెప్ట్స్ రికార్డ్ చేసి పెడదామని అనుకుంటున్నాను, విచ్ ఈస్ వెరీ యూస్ఫుల్ టు ద every student. Okay, that's it for today. Bye bye, meet you tomorrow.